first time that you are battling against your own sister-in-law. What is the sentiment?
The sentiment always is for me very happy, and I'm not fighting anybody in the family. I am fighting against a government which is against farmers, against labor, against women.
Today you've come out to vote. What is your appeal to the voters?
My appeal to everybody in India is that election should be fair, just and very peaceful.
Allegations are being made that money is being
It's
distributed.
very
in Baramati.
unfortunate that these kind of things are happening. A lot of videos being made. I humbly request anybody who has any information to go to the competent authority, which is an election commission and the police station.
Is it a battle against Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi in
It is
Baramati?
an India alliance versus a government which is not looked into farmers or agrarian crisis, unemployment, price rise and corruption. We are fighting against
Not a
corruption.
Pawar versus Pawar fight.
What is the powers? This is about the country. This is not about any shares or any property of the powers.
All eyes are on Baramati today, where it's Pawar versus Pawar, and the final day of voting today. I have with me Pratap Pawar, who is Sharad Pawar's younger brother. Sir, it's an important day today, but it's also unprecedented in the politics of Maharashtra that we are seeing a Pawar battle of Pawar. How do you see this battle?
Battle is not new. Battle can take place politically. It happens everywhere. And what is today's friends, tomorrow they are friends. Next day they go with the guns on. So politics is no enemy, no friends.
But sir, this is family.
Then politics. It's a politics.
How does the family perceive it?
Family pursuit is individual choice. I have my own choice.
You have cast your vote today. If you can show the viewers of CNN News 18, you've cast your vote today.
Yeah.
And what is your appeal to the voters?
I said this is very important election for the country, not only Baramati. For the next 5 years, 10 years, nation's future will be decided. So one has to be very careful, analyze what has happened in the last 10 years, evaluate honestly what has been said, what has been not been done, what has been done, and are you satisfied? So each voter has to think in that direction. I'm a conscious voter. I have my own opinions, I have my own analysis. So is everybody. And I say to you, with your full conscience clear, vote accordingly. But please vote.
So you're saying politics is politics and there's nothing like family in it. Does it mean that doors are open for everybody even ahead after this?
Why not? Why not? Tomorrow, Modi says to Thackeray कि मैं तुम्हारे फिक्र करता हूँ, तुम्हारी चिंता मेरे को थी. अरे, Modi can say to Thackeray, I can't say to my family member. ये सच कितना झूठा कितना है वो तो लोग जानते हैं. मेरी तो फैमिली है, जन्म से है, तो प्यार तो होता ही है.
Here in Baramati, I have with me someone who resides in the US and who has come all the way from Washington DC to vote, to exercise her right and responsibility to vote. If you can please show our viewers that you have voted today. What's your name? Where do you stay?
My name is Pranoti Kikle and I live in Washington DC in the US. Baramati is obviously my hometown. This is where I was born and brought up, and I went for my schooling here. I was supposed to be here for some other reason, but I made sure to stay back. This is where the Lok Sabha constituency elections are happening today, and I wanted to make sure that I exercise my right to vote. That is a constitutional right for everyone, and I believe, India being the biggest democracy in this world, we should be able to exercise rights. So I would also encourage everyone, who is eligible to vote, just please go out and vote, because this is what we need. This is the democratic nation, and we need to make sure that democracy is being saved. So.
What do you do in the US and for how long have you been settled?
I'm in the US since last 10 years. I'm a project wastewater engineer, so I work for the environment. And that is another reason, we need to vote to make sure that this country is going towards development and democracy.
Thank you for being a responsible citizen and coming here to vote. So this is a woman who came all the way from Washington DC and stayed back to make sure that she exercises her right to vote.